morning, everyone. So today is all about a little bit of what we call travel time, but we're going to be going around and exploring a couple different places. The first being
is going to be the tunnel or the road to nowhere, which is just outside of Bryson City. From where our camp is on the Cullasaja River, it's about 25-ish minutes to get there. And there's a few hiking trails. There's shorter loops or longer loops that you can take, so we're going to check that out. The second thing that we're going to go do is go over to Cherokee, maybe do a little bit of shopping, see if we can't see any good overlooks of the Blue Ridge or the Smokies, and maybe just check a couple things out there. And then finally we're going to head south of where we are, near the Cullasaja River, which is a hefty drive, about an hour and a half maybe, we'll see.
a little bit.
And we're going to go check out several different waterfalls today. So we have several things on our list to do today.
Yep. And the cool part is some of these waterfalls, they're well known, but they're not well traveled. In the sense that I've been to a lot of these waterfalls multiple times throughout my life, and I've never really been to one that's been super busy, which is great. So we're gonna get on the road, and we're literally gonna go to nowhere. So we're gonna get going. Literally where that sun line is, it dropped like 10-15 degrees.
Easier to stay here, safe and not familiar. Sometimes it's hard to go. I feel a little nervous, put on a bit of courage. It's time to spread my wings and go. Into the wild, into the wild I go. It's a beautiful venture, leaving the world I've known. I wanna break free, I wanna dive deep into where I've never been. I wanna fly high, off my shoulders. I'm daring and I'm bold. The way ahead is open. feeling like I'm home free. I spread my wings and go. Oh, 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 into the wild, into the wild I go. It's a beautiful venture, leaving the world I've known. I wanna break free, I wanna dive deep into where I've never been. I wanna fly high, yeah. Into the wild.
Well, we made it back,
Oh my gosh.
and much better experience than what we thought.
It's more than just a tunnel, and it's more than just some short loops like we thought.
Yeah,
It is amazing.
obviously, we do have to change our plans a little bit. As you saw from the footage, we decided to take a little bit of a swim because it's a little toasty.
Worth it.
We're not exactly shopping appropriate right now.
So we're gonna skip Cherokee for right now, and we'll go back some other time when we have a more relaxed day or relaxed evening. But we're gonna go check on the dogs, get some lunch, and then
Punch out for some waterfalls.
yeah, look for some waterfalls.
Okay, so we are at the parking lot for the upper part of the
Parking lot.
parking lot of the upper Cullasaja Falls. To give you an idea, we're on the side of two blind turn, and this is the parking, which
Sorry, Dad.
isn't much. And this is our trail. Should be well known that this is a very, very steep hike. You all right? Those of you that haven't heard of Cullasaja Falls and why we're doing such a crazy hike, I'll show you here in a sec, but it's 100% worth it. Probably should have worn shoes. You guys are gonna love it. Don't look at it. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear us over the sound of the waterfall. We're both just sitting here because we actually have cell phone service trying to get a hold of our family so we can show them this. 100% recommend this hike if you're able to. It is very, very steep. I already cut my foot open a little bit. I'm wearing sandals because I figured I'd get in the water. But I mean, I don't know if this is perspective, but this section, like from here to here, is about 35 feet. And it just goes down from here. We got 2 more waterfalls.
Experience it all. Experience the feeling. See it all. I can see a light shining on out of the dark, breaking through the clouds. It all begins right now. It starts. Nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now.
Dry Falls in the Nantahala National Forest, and it's breathtaking. Like, absolutely breathtaking. Depending on how much rain will depend on how hard the waterfall is actually running. But believe it or not, this waterfall has actually been kayaked by somebody before. You know, flood stage, it bypassed all these rocks. It was spouting so hard. And this whole section of the river, with the exception of this waterfall and a couple other like Cullasaja, is actually kayakable. But this is my favorite one because you get to walk behind it and you can just feel the power just reverberating as it goes by you. It's so, I'm not gonna say it's a once in a lifetime experience because there are other places like this, but there aren't many places like this in the Blue Ridge.
And that are so easily accessible as well.
Yes. Like, literally, this is a 5-minute walk, not even from the parking lot.
There are some times where, when we are at home in our RV spot in Texas, and sometimes that can happen for a few months at a time, I get kind of stir crazy, and I wonder why we don't have a house sometimes. Like, why, if we're gonna stay somewhere for a while, why don't we have a house? But then I remember, when we do get time off, we get to see stuff like this, and it is totally worth it.
Now with open eyes, I can truly feel alive. There's a world I've never seen before, and now I'm rising up and soaring high above it all. It's nothing like I've ever experience.